Welcome back. In the last video we have successfully completed our backend development, and we tried some of the endpoint through the Postman, and we have seen all the endpoint into the Swagger UI. Now, as part of this video, we are starting our front-end development, and this is the first task in front-end development. So first of all, we have to install Angular CLI globally. So to install Angular CLI globally, so since you can see this command is started with npm, it means we are using Node Package Manager to install the Angular CLI. So first of all, you should have Node.js installed in your machine. You can install latest version of Node.js. After that, you have to give this command. I am already having this version, latest version installed in my machine, so I will quickly see the ng version. So here it is 16.16. This is the latest version, so I am not going to perform this task. Now I am going to create another this task. It create the Angular project. So ng new Todo full stack. It will take some time. So I have selected Angular routing, and default CSS style is CSS. We can also choose SCSS, so but currently we are not focusing on SCSS, so CSS is fine. It will take around 5 minutes or 2 minutes based on your network speed. So now we can see the project is created successfully, and node modules also installed. We need to redirect to that folder cd to do full stack. So once we redirect to this folder, our project folder, we need to open this project into the editor. Okay, so let us run this project. So project is started on port 4200. Yes, we are able to successfully launch our local host with port 4200.